Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you still control the exact Google account linked to the removed channel. Once confirmed, collect channel ID, primary email timestamps, sample video titles, and any policy or suspension emails. These facts prove ownership. Next, open Google Account Recovery and the official YouTube channel appeal form at the same time so you can copy details quickly. Make sure to use precise, consistent names and dates. They speed verification and prevent needless back and forth. You now fill the appeal with exact evidence: billing receipts, upload timestamps, channel ID, and original video file names. Describe why removal is incorrect or mistaken, reference the specific policy notice you received, and counter each claim with verifiable facts. Attach screenshots and originals, label them clearly so reviewers don't have to guess. Once done, double-check spelling of the email and channel ID. Small typos cause rejection. Submit and note the case number for follow-up. You should monitor email and YouTube Studio closely after submitting. Expect responses within days to weeks and always note the case ID. If the appeal is denied, immediately request a human review and submit any new or clearer evidence within the next 7 to 14 days. Timely follow-up matters. Troubleshoot by re-verifying ownership docs, removing conflicting accounts from the same Google login, and preparing a concise rebuttal. If nothing changes, escalate through Google support channels with the doc.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.